Oh boy. Coming to the scene of chaos. Oh, I have a hard time opening these bottles that cap the kombucha, the homemade kombucha. In fact, the top is nowhere to be seen. They look like that. You have to be very careful when you open homemade kombucha because it can and will have a mess. It just exploded. Normally I do it outside. I don't know if you can see this. It's on the counter. It's on the ceiling. Oh, halfway across the kitchen. It's on the door. There's part of the bowl left. The kombucha's on the floor. And it's on me. I don't know if you can see it. I've already wiped off my face and arm, but oh my goodness. I love my homemade kombucha, but man, I'm doing this outside next time. This is going to be quite a bit to clean up tonight. It's already, oh jeez. It's coming on 10 o'clock almost. I was not planning on this. It's on everything. Oh boy. I must love kombucha. From now on, I do this outside. Normally, I hold the caps down. It's on the shutters. It's, where isn't it? It's just all over the place. Oh boy. Ay, 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 ay. Maybe I should just buy it in the stores. No, I don't think so. I like adventure. Okay, good night. I'm going to be up a while.